Hi, I'm Mitch Vsan, and I'm here to talk about VMware's virtual storage solution called Vsan. For many of our customers today, enterprise storage presents a number of challenges as there's more and more types of data for them to store and more data for them to manage. First of all, many of our customers tell us that the cost of storage is the single biggest spend item on their IT budget. Additionally, being able to manage that storage, as there's more and more requests for storage from the business, being able to write those policies and give this business the storage they require takes time and is error prone. And a third big challenge we hear from our customers is the ability to scale in terms of storage. The ability to grow storage at the speed of business when they need it. And what we've done with Virtual SAN is help mitigate many of these challenges for our customers by bringing about a rather different but still very simple approach to storage. So let's take a look at what that would look like in a normal data center environment. So let's start with a simple 3-host cluster. Virtual SAN runs on a cluster of anywhere from 3 up to 64 hosts, with vSphere running on them, obviously allowing our customers to run virtual machines. And we know vCenter helps our customers better manage those virtual machines. Finishing out the architecture, we'll have our switches which attach to the network as well as our physical SAN storage. Commonly referred to as a 3-2-1 architecture. And today, these virtual machines require a dynamic storage environment. They're moving from the virtual part of the data center through all of this physical hardware, servers, switches, the physical SANs. There's many steps involved in the process, and we can really improve the performance of our customers' storage by helping streamline and eliminate many of these processes. And that's exactly what Virtual SAN does. It runs as part of a hyper-converged architecture to bring both storage and compute to deliver them through the same virtualized platform. And by bringing vSAN and delivering it through the same virtualized platform along with vSphere, we're bringing the compute closer to storage and seeing a drastic performance increase in terms of storage. This is an incredibly simple process for our customers to set up. All they have to do, since it works within vSphere and vCenter, is go into their vCenter web client, and in just 2 clicks, they can have Virtual SAN enabled. It's managed by vCenter, so they don't need to learn any additional management tools, which just helps with the simplicity of storage. So what Virtual SAN does, just as vSphere was able to take advantage and pool the compute resources of servers, Virtual SAN pools the storage capabilities of servers into one big virtual pool of storage. Here's how. Servers have hard disk drives and solid state drives, often referred to as flash storage, inside of every server. And what Virtual SAN does is it takes advantage of this storage and pools it into one big virtual pool of storage. So now, should our customers require more storage, instead of purchasing a SAN for exponentially more that they may only get part utilization out of and have wasted capacity, they can now scale at a fraction of the cost by adding disks to a server, or should those servers run out of disk space, our customers can add servers to a cluster. And it's very simple for our customers to do so. All they have to do is go into their vCenter web client, drag and drop that server into the cluster they want, and Virtual SAN will automatically recognize that empty local storage on the new host and add it to their virtual pool. So what we see is our customers now have the availability to pay as they grow, pay for only the storage they need when they need it, helping in terms of that cost challenge, helping them in terms of the scalability challenge. And additionally, because Virtual SAN is hardware agnostic, we're seeing additional cost benefits, so our customers can use the hardware they prefer and not have to buy the latest, greatest, most expensive hardware. So we see now that scalability and cost in terms of storage become less of a challenge. What about that management piece? Well, today with physical SANs, our customers have to manually write storage policies. It's very time consuming, error prone, it's a manual process. Every time there's demand for more storage, there's more demand on those storage and system admins to write those policies manually. Virtual SAN helps automate most of that. Down to the VM level, Virtual SAN can tie storage policies to ensure that there's a balance of storage and every virtual machine gets the allotted and required amount of storage it needs to run. So what we see is a reduction in that human error and a reduction in those manual processes, helping our systems and storage admins. Many of our customers are benefiting from this policy structure, and it's rather uniquely delivered from VMware, as both compute and storage are being delivered through the same virtual pool. We're able to tie those policies at the virtual machine level. And because both compute and storage are being brought closer together, we're seeing about a 5 times better performance out of our virtual storage than any other virtual storage competitor in the market. One such of these customers is Oregon State University, a great use case example. After implementing Virtual SAN, they were able to deliver all the storage needs required of their students, faculty, and staff. We were able to help them provision their labs faster. We were able to give them pooled storage for their virtual desktops. And in the end of the day, we saw a performance increase from an average login time of 20 minutes on those desktops down to just 1 minute. And at the end of the day, we saved them about 66% in CapEx by avoiding expensive hardware purchases and helping them scale more effectively and efficiently. Now, Oregon State University is just one such of those customers. For the majority of our other customers as well, we're seeing many beneficial outcomes. A 50% decrease in the total cost of ownership of storage by allowing our customers to simply add disks to a server or servers to a cluster. Reduction in OpEx, helping our customers automate many of those manual storage policies, eliminating that human error and that risk of downtime. And as well, we're helping our customers increase their ability to scale. Now they can scale at the speed of business, pay as they grow, and pay for only the storage resources they need when they need them.